Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2022 Mazda 3 G20 Touring Hatch, stock reference number 5280. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2019 and is the current shape. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, tidy radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right-hand LED headlight, left-hand LED headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door appears to have no damage, left tailgate garnish, tailgate has a slight fold on the left-hand side, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has one small dent, right guard has one small dent, right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, command controls, heater controls, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.